Okay, folks, we've got a Bombardier Global 600 heading to Biggin Hill from Milan. I'm assuming so, is it? Or is it probably going to Biggin Hill? They're way small ones. No. Big ones have got like huge wings, so she'll fly from this direction here, or she'll fly right over the top of us. She might not go in these clouds here, but we'll wait for her to appear now. And we'll zoom in till she comes. She's en route to Biggin Hill, folks. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's... Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, she's howling. Listen to that. Listen to those engines, mate. I think they're CM60s, aren't they? Rolls Royce, I think. That's a 500, isn't it? Oh, 600, okay. So she might be en route. That's a big old jet, isn't it? Massive. She sounds like a guitar, don't she? She sounds like an A350, don't she? Still hear it. That's a Global Express, isn't it? 600 variant.